Hello, boys and girls. We are going to do a sequencing and writing activity talking about steps in making s'mores. Making s'mores is one of my favorite activities when I go camping. Have you ever eaten a s'more before? Yummy. Okay, you're going to do this activity. I'm showing you the finished product. So you may pause the video and do it and then check back in. The first thing we do when we make s'mores is we get the ingredients. You need marshmallows, chocolate, and graham crackers. Then you get a marshmallow. Next, you put the marshmallow on a stick and roast it over a fire. After that, you get a graham cracker that's folded in half, and you put the marshmallow on the graham cracker and you add chocolate. Last, you put the graham cracker on top and it melts the chocolate over the marshmallow, and then you can take a big bite. Yum. So what we're going to do is we're going to use this sequencing of pictures in order to write about the steps for making s'mores. So I'm going to do this along with you. If you need help with any of the words, just pause and I'm going to put a little word bank up of words you might need to spell. And at any point, if this is too much writing, your parent or whoever's working with you could write the words in yellow, or they could write the words and leave a blank just for you to write one of the words. So whatever works best for you. When we're writing steps in making something or doing something, we use these words: first, next, then, and last. And we're going to talk about this a lot this year. Okay? First, next, then, last. Because this has 6 steps, we also are using the words after that and then. These are transition words that help us explain how to do something and something that has a lot of steps. So instead of just saying and having a run-on sentence, we can end the sentence with a period and then start it with one of these transition words. You will notice after each transition word, first, next, then, after that, then, and last, there is a comma. Okay, so that is an important piece. Okay, so here we go. Let's get started. You follow along with me. First, so we're going to also reference our pictures. First, get the ingredients, okay? So when I'm doing spelling, I'm going to sound out each letter. G, E, T. Get, G-E-T, the. Okay, now ingredients is a really big word, so I wrote it out a little bit bigger for you here. Get the ingredients. It's really important that you put the period at the end. Here is the word ingredients. Very good. Next, grab a marshmallow. G-R-A-B. A marshmallow. Some people call them marshmallows. This is a compound word, a big word, marshmallow. R-sh-m-a-l-o. That's another big word, so I wrote it out bigger for you. Grab a marshmallow. Sometimes people roast 2 at a time, but you get better results when you just use 1. Then we roast the marshmallow over a fire. Here's the word roast. R-O-S-T. Roast the marshmallow. This is going to be a long sentence. Roast the marshmallow over the fire. Fire. Okay, now I'll leave these words right here. In the word fire, you will see that we have the long I sound. We have that bossy silent E at the end. That E tells the I to say its name. Then roast the marshmallow over the fire. Remember, you can pause the video at any point to follow along. After that, we are going to grab a graham cracker. Grab a graham cracker. Okay, here's the word graham cracker for you. Then we need to get the chocolate. Put the chocolate on the graham cracker. I see the ch sound. Chocolate on. Okay, and last, we are going to put the marshmallow on the graham cracker and put the graham cracker on top. So put, P-U-T, put the marshmallow on the chocolate and the graham cracker on top. Enjoy! There we go. Okay, now let's read this all the way through. Now this is just the way I wrote it out, but if you had different steps or different ways you want to make your marshmallow, then go right ahead, okay? So here we go. Steps in making s'mores. First, get the ingredients. Next, grab a marshmallow. Then, roast the marshmallow over the fire. After that, grab a graham cracker. Then, put the chocolate on the graham cracker. Last, put the marshmallow on the chocolate and the graham cracker on top. Enjoy! Great job, everyone. The important words we're remembering here in writing steps are these words right here. First, next, then, after that, then, and last. Great job, everyone!